Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. I'm Balaji Chandrasekharan. Today, I'll be discussing about how to design a secure system with REST APIs. Designing secure systems is important for a multitude of reasons, spanning from protecting sensitive information to ensuring the stability and reliability of the infrastructure. As developers, we should design and implement these security guidelines by default. Designing a secure system with REST APIs involves incorporating security measures at various layers of the system architecture. Here's a high-level overview of how you can achieve a secure system with REST APIs. In authentication, use a robust authentication mechanism such as OAuth 2.0 or JSON Web Tokens, JWT, to authenticate users and clients accessing the API. Implement strong password policies, including hashing and salting for storage of passwords. Consider multi-factor authentication for enhanced security. For authorization, define fine-grained access controls to restrict access to resources based on user roles and permissions. Implement role-based access control, RBAC, or attribute-based access control, ABAC, as appropriate for your system's requirements. As part of the HTTPS encryption, ensure that all communication between clients and the server occurs over HTTPS to encrypt data in transit and prevent eavesdropping or tampering. Use strong SSL/TLS configurations and keep certificates up to date. In input validation, validate and sanitize all input received from clients to prevent injection attacks such as SQL injection, XSS, and CSRF. Implement parameterized queries for database operations to prevent SQL injection vulnerabilities. For output encoding, encode output data to protect against XSS attacks. Use appropriate encoding methods such as HTML escaping or Content Security Policy, CSP, headers. In rate limiting and throttling, implement rate limiting and throttling mechanisms to prevent abuse and mitigate denial of service, DOS, attacks. Enforce limits on the number of requests per user, IP address, or client application. In logging and monitoring, log all API activities, including requests, responses, and errors, for auditing and forensic analysis. Monitor API traffic and performance metrics to detect anomalies and potential security incidents. As part of the secure data storage, encrypt sensitive data at rest using strong encryption algorithms and proper key management practices. Implement secure data storage mechanisms to protect against data breaches and unauthorized access. As part of the secure error handling, avoid leaking sensitive information in error responses. Use generic error messages and handle errors gracefully without revealing internal details. As part of the security headers, utilize security headers such as Content Security Policy, CSP, Cross-Origin Resource Sharing, CORS, and X-Content Type options to enhance the security of your API. In the API versioning, implement versioning in your API to ensure backward compatibility and facilitate future updates without breaking existing clients. In third-party integration security, if your API integrates with third-party services or libraries, ensure they are vetted for security vulnerabilities and follow best practices for secure integration. In regular security audits and penetration testing, conduct regular security audits and penetration testing to identify and remediate security vulnerabilities proactively. As part of the compliance and regulations, ensure compliance with relevant regulations such as GDPR, HIPAA, and PCI-DSS, depending on the nature of the data being handled by your API. In our upcoming sessions, we will delve deeper into the topics. We're excited to have you join us again. We trust you found the video enjoyable. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for being a part of our audience.